So over here, you can see that I have a Python code right here. And if I were to run it, you can see that it asks for a number right here. That is, it asks for two numbers and adds them out right here. But let's say I want the same code right here in C programming code right here. In that case, what I can do is I can copy out the code right here, just like this, and then I can go around onto Gemini right here. So in Gemini, what I can do is I can go around and paste out the code, and I can go around and say rewrite the code in C programming language or any other programming language that you want the output to be in. And then you can go around and press enter. So once you do that, what happens is that it goes around and converts out the program, as you can see right here, just like this. So now you can go around and copy out the code right here and then paste this out to whatever compiler you want to paste it in. So let's just go around and press Ctrl V to paste it. And if I were to run it now, you can see that the same program now runs in C, just like this. So that is how you can go around and convert out programming codes by using Gemini. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.